The interior modifications significantly enhance luxury, making the Model Y feel notably more premium than its predecessor. These upgrades exemplify Tesla's unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. Moreover, the exterior design features substantial changes, including a redesigned bonnet and headlights that elevate its overall aesthetic appeal. These enhancements allow the Model Y to stand out even more in a crowded market. In addition, Tesla has reimagined the front bumper and incorporated larger air breathers, making this facelift one of the most impactful in the automotive sector. This evolution not only improves appearance but also boosts functionality. Furthermore, the revamped rear lights and diffuser not only enhance visual appeal but also improve aerodynamics, ultimately providing a greater driving range. This upgrade underscores Tesla's dedication to performance. Quality improvements in the new Model Y are evident from the sound of the doors to the upgraded materials throughout the cabin. This meticulous attention to detail significantly elevates the overall user experience. Additionally, the cockpit has been redesigned to feature a more functional center console and better storage solutions. These updates illustrate Tesla's commitment to practical and user-friendly design. Moreover, the introduction of touch-sensitive buttons alongside a traditional indicator stalk enhances the driving experience, successfully addressing user feedback from earlier models. This blend of modernity and familiarity is well received by drivers. Notably, the standard inclusion of features like customizable ambient lighting sets Tesla apart from other luxury brands, ensuring buyers receive considerable value without hidden costs. Such an approach resonates with budget-conscious consumers. Furthermore, the Model Y now features seats with both heating and cooling options, greatly enhancing comfort for drivers and passengers alike. This improvement aligns with increasing consumer demands for versatile climate control. The launch edition of the Model Y is priced at £61,000, reflecting a significant increase compared to earlier models. This pricing strategy emphasizes the evolving luxury market for electric vehicles. In terms of seating, the Model Y has improved its design to offer enhanced leg support and comfort for passengers. Additionally, the introduction of adjustable rear seats increases versatility for users. Tesla has also adjusted the suspension system of the Model Y to provide a smoother ride. While some firmness remains, these changes aim to enhance handling and overall driving performance. However, the differences in storage capacity between the new and old Model Y are minimal, with only a slight decrease of 20 liters. This change may prove negligible for prospective buyers. Despite expectations for battery and motor updates, the new model specifications remain largely unchanged, reflecting trends observed in the Model 3 upgrades. Consequently, potential buyers may wish to consider purchasing a used Tesla Model Y, as the updates may not warrant the investment in a new model. This option is readily accessible through platforms like CarW.